So each year we make changes to the jumps, but this year will be the biggest change we've made since we built the lines back in 2013. So we're going for a complete new roll-in and new sets of jumps. So stay tuned to see what we get up to over the winter.
You broke it?
Probably. We've knocked down the old roll-in, so we had an issue with the bigger riders and the smaller riders riding different height lines on the same side roll-in. So what we've done is we're going to build a 3-stage tier roll-in for a new bigger line. It will be like basically the feature piece of RAD for the next however many years. Then we're going to have a double wave roller for the main line, which is the most popular line that we found from this year. Then we're going to build a smaller roll-in that's going to be like a rhythm section, so everything's going to be a rollable feature. So for anyone of any ability, you're going to have a good time. And that's kind of what the plan's going to be. We'll see how it goes. So you'll have 8-foot roll-in, go along, 2-foot jump, step down. Digger. Yeah, 8-ton digger, yet hand stacking the back of roller. Logic.
So what's the idea behind stacking it up with the...
So the idea of stacking is that when Darren tips the dirt down, it just stops it all falling the whole way down. So if you can build a wall up, then you can tip in, and we can keep the wall up by hand. It'll stop all the dirt falling down.
It's looking good, isn't it?
Yeah, this is looking good. This is looking seriously good.
It's like, I have no idea how big we can make that drop, really.
I reckon this drop is going to have to go somewhere in between the middle, because you can either have two style of drops. You can either do it so you race off it, or you can do it so you can do like flips and stuff off it, which in my idea that would be the best option to have.
Well, I'm picturing it a bit like La Poma's one. You know, that first drop.
Poma's one, yeah. To be honest, it's probably the Poma's one's probably not much different inside. Let's say.
What we've had the biggest issue with here, this section runs really slow. Because the landing's quite small, even though it's like a 7-foot lander from the floor, it's only really 5 foot from the pump, and you end up losing speed here. So what we're going to do is we're going to crank all of this, crank it back, so then we can get it closer to here, so the landing will be here. So hit, rather than come down and pump, you can go straight in, which will gain you more speed for the races, so we can build a bigger trick jump.
Nice.
Look, imagine building that into one.
One real big
nice
set.
One and stacking it up. Yeah, man, it's going to be really, really good. Really good. Sad times, but good times.
Crikey, that jump hurts my eyes.
I like when things are staged.
Yeah, so staged.
I don't like organic flow of conversation. I think it should be planned.
Well done, Darren.